There are 3 different types of assignments: task list, essay, and upload. Task list is going to be a checkbox where they have to complete any amount of checkboxes you'd like. And then essay is going to be a long form answer with a whole box. You can have a minimum word count. You could say write a 500 word essay and set a minimum word count if you'd like there. Then upload is going to be uploading a file. You can restrict the file type if you want to. Say have a student upload an image. You could say build this out on your website. This course is about quizzes, so maybe I would say build a quiz on your LifterLMS website, then upload a screenshot of your uploaded quiz or something like that. And you can also have like an MP3 file. With this restrict file types, you can say, I want students to be able to upload an audio file as an example. So you can also set the assignment weight here if you have an intricate point system. If you want to have one assignment be worth more points than another, you can do that here, along with the passing percentage. So let's actually go through each of these assignment types and see what they look like. So the task list assignment type, let's add a few tasks here. Since this course is about quizzes with LifterLMS that I'm using as an example, I'll create a task list regarding that. So I'll say task 1 is going to be install LifterLMS, advanced quizzes, and step 3, make your first quiz. All right, so now that I have my task list here, I'm going to save changes, and let's see what a student would see with the task list assignment type. All right, so this is the lesson content here, and the Mark Complete button has been replaced with Start Assignment. So let's see what I have in my assignment content. All right, there's the video I embedded. At the top there, here's my description I wrote, and I have my checkboxes here. So I can say I installed LifterLMS. It'll give me a timestamp on this. So I can actually leave the assignment and come back later and finish these because these are timestamped and those will be saved. Let's see, so we'll finish these other 2 here. And once those are all checked, I can say submit assignment. All right, awesome. So it looks like I got 100% passing grade with the checklist assignment type. That's what it's going to be, is 100% pass. But where can instructors grade the assignments? Let's go take a look at that. So if I go to the WordPress dashboard in a new tab here, under the LifterLMS reporting is where you can grade assignments. So I can see I have this tab assignments at the top here. Let's go in there. Where to go from here is not it. This is the quiz settings assignment. There it is, right there. So I can see I have 1 submission, 1 total attempt at the assignment, and I have all sorts of information here, but the big thing is these attempts. So if I click on that 1, I can see these are the attempts of the assignment. This is the attempt I just made. And if I click the ID, I can actually see the assignment as the instructor. So I can see it's 100% pass. And if I'd like as an instructor, I can leave remarks. I could say start a review and say great job. Then if I'd like, I could change the grade here, but I'm just going to save the review. And then once that's saved, I'll reload what the student would see. And there's the instructor remarks. So that is the task list assignment type.